Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to day four. I hope you're staying home, you're staying safe, and you're isolating yourself. Please do not go out. Take all the precautionary measures, and together we can fight this coronavirus. Day four, I wanted to share something very, very profound that has worked immensely well for me and that has helped me leapfrog in my life. So, Robin Sharma very famously calls it the 5 a.m. club. I am an avid reader of all the works that Robin Sharma has done, and one thing that had a great impact on me was the 5 a.m. club. What does this mean? Is you are invited to wake up every single day at 5 a.m. And what that gives you is that gives you an edge over everybody else, your competitors, your peers, your friends, and anybody that you're looking up to in life. Is it gives you an edge that you get so many extra hours in a day. You wake up at 5 o'clock, spend 30 minutes doing some kind of physical activity, a yoga, a meditation, a run, or probably hitting the gym, and then you spend next 30 minutes planning your day in terms of prioritizing what are the top five things you got to do, and then you start off by knocking out all your emails, you know, setting up all the right meetings, and then spending time with your family, have breakfast with your spouse, your kids, your parents, whoever you live with, and then you start your day. So by the time you hit your office, by the time you're in your office, 80% of the tactical work is already done. You have already answered all the emails, you have already planned your day well, and that will help you go out and do all the important high priority things instead of just grappling with things that are urgent but not important. So while we are all facing this lockdown, while you're home, it's a very, very opportune time for you to see if you can start and be a 5 a.m. club member. And trust me, it's going to be hard in the first few days. I mean, it took me almost 15-20 days. I used to curse myself, waking up from the sleep early in the morning saying, oh shit, I want to go back and get 30 minutes more sleep. But trust me, once you are there and once stop hitting the snooze button, the moment you have the alarm, just wake up, get out of the bed, say thanks to God for giving you a new day, and get started. And trust me, you will see tremendous results in what you can accomplish by waking up at 5 a.m. every day. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself.